Okay, so number lines are basically, or number line, more specifically, number line is a line in which all the numbers, okay, are standing in an order. Okay, starts with
Okay.
0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on and so forth. Okay, are you following?
Okay.
Yes, so what is a number line, Hamisha? Number line is a line in which all the numbers are standing in an order. Just like how we stand in an assembly for prayer, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes, exactly like that. The numbers are standing in a line. They are forming a line. That line is called a number line. Make sense? Are you following?
Yes.
Okay. So now, do we have a full stop to this line? Is my question. Okay. I'm telling that all the numbers which are there, okay, all the numbers are going to be standing on this number line. So, do you think there is a last number that you know? Is there a last number that you know? Or there are so many numbers?
Yes.
What do you think, Kamisha? Which one of those two? Is there a last number? Yes or no?
Last.
There is the last number. Okay. So what do you think is the last possible number in the number line? Who is standing at the last?
1.
Sorry?
10.
10. Okay. So isn't there a number after 10? Yes or no?
Yes.
And what is that number?
11.
11, right? Yes. So the number line keeps on going, okay? Whatever number I write, I can give you the next number for that. So that is why there is no end to numbers. The numbers keep on going. That is why we have a arrow on this side, and we do not have an arrow on this side as of now. Okay?
Okay.
Is the number line clear to you, Havisha?
Yes.
Okay, so now let us get back to the question of 4 plus 3 is 7. You mentioned that is correct. Perfect. Right? So if I have to look at this perspective of addition, that is the number line perspective, okay, this is how I would add numbers. So first number, whatever is there, here it is 4, right?
Yes.
So let's say I'm standing here on the number line.
Yes.
Okay. And what does plus 3 mean?
3.
What does plus 3 mean? It means that you are taking 3 steps forward.
Yes.
Okay? 1, 2, 3 steps forward. And wherever you are reaching, that is your answer for the sum.
7.
Are you following?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So now, let me ask you another simple question. Okay, let's see how that will look like on a number line. Okay, how about 2 plus 6? So what number will be standing on the number line? Where on the number line will be standing? Will we be standing on?
2.
Yes, on 2. Where on 2? This is us standing on 2. And we want to add 6. So how many steps forward am I supposed to go?
6.
6 steps. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So where did we reach?
8.
Very good. That is our answer. Right? 2 plus 6 is 8?
Yes.
Yes, that's correct. Awesome. Alright. So that is how you can have a look on the number line. Okay?
Okay.
Number line and addition. Okay. Now
Okay.
I also gave you some other question, right? Do you remember that question?
Okay.
It was something like 40 plus 20. What is the answer for 40 plus 20? Okay.
60.
Now, what I do, I'm considering the same number line, but I'm going to look at it from a very far distance. Okay? So, Havisha, have you
Okay.
ever clicked a photo on your phone? Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes, after clicking, if you go and look at the picture, there is an option for us to zoom in and zoom out. Right? You can zoom in and zoom out. Yes?
Okay.
Yes. So that is exactly what I'm going to do now. Okay. I'm going to take this number line, which is over here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Okay. And I'm going to zoom out. What does
Okay.
zoom out mean? All the things will become smaller. Yes?
Yes.
Yes,
Small.
and I will be able to see only the highlights of the number. Okay, only
Hi.
the highlights of the number. So this is how it might look. Okay, I'm going to write only the 10s, 50, 100, 110. Okay, Havna, are you there?
Yes.
Havisha?
Yes.
Yes, okay, sorry, I couldn't see you there for a minute. Alright, so is this number line clear to you? What I did is nothing, but I took the same number line which is above and I zoomed out so that I'll be able to see only the highlights, okay, which are 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and so on. Okay, make
Okay.
sense? Alright, now 40 plus 20, how will we look at that on the number line? Okay,
Okay.
so 40 plus 20 means first I'll be standing on 40.
Yes.
Yeah? And plus 20 means I have to go 2 steps forward.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Why 2 steps? Why not 20?
60.
Because we are actually taking 20 steps. It's just that because we zoomed it out, we are unable to see the numbers in between. In between, we have 41, 42, 43, 44, and so on till 49. And again here 51, 52, 53 to 59. So if I count all these steps, I'm actually taking 20 steps. Make
Yes.
sense?
Yes.
But since I'm in a zoomed out version of the number line, I'm going to understand it as that I'm going to take 2 steps. Are you following, Havisha?
Yes.
So the addition with respect to the number line, is that concept clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Awesome, that's great. Alright, so let us jump into the next concept already. Okay? So
Okay.
as I mentioned, we will be looking at addition. Okay, we will be looking at addition, right?
Right.
So, Havisha, what we will be doing here is that I will give you a sum, okay, for you to do it, and then I will ask you what is the process that you are following to get to the answer, okay, and I want you to explain it to me, okay.
Okay.
All right. Let us start with something like 25 plus 32. What would be the answer for this? And how and what is the process that you are following? Please go ahead.
5 plus 2, 7.
Very good. And then
2 plus 3, 5.
2 plus 3, 5. Right? That is correct.
Yes.
Answer is 57. Perfect. You're doing great, Havisha. That is the correct answer. And you also explained the process perfectly. Okay? But now I have another question for you. Okay? Are you ready for
Okay.
another question?
Yes.
Yes. So the question here is going to be that you started adding from 5 plus 2 and then you went to the other side. Right? You
Yes.
started adding from here and then you went the other way. Right? Basically
Yes.
from left to right or backwards, if I might say. Right? If I can say I'm going backwards, right? While adding, I'm going backwards. Make sense?
Yes.
Why are we going backwards? Why cannot I add the numbers in the forward direction? Okay. For example,
Okay.
let's say I want to add 2 plus 3 first, which is 5. Okay. And then I want to add 5 plus 2, which is 7. I'm getting the same answer. But why are we not doing this method? Is there some problem over here in this method?
Yes.
Okay. You say yes. Now my immediate next question is, what is that problem? If we are not following a specific method, right? It means that there is some issue or we are facing some problem when we are doing that the addition in that way, and we're not getting the correct answer, right? Is that what it means? Yes.
Yes.
But I'm getting the same answer, which is 57, right? So what is the problem in this method?
About 10.
Sorry.
What 10 is 10
Okay.
is the problem.
Oh, are you telling the tens is the problem?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that is the correct answer. Very good, Hamisha. But let me elaborate what you just said. Okay. So what you said is that for this specific question, it works just fine. Right? We got the same answer, but this might be a coincidence, right? But it will not work for all the cases. It will not work. And why is that? Yes, Hamisha, do you have a doubt?
Yeah.
Yes, please go ahead. Ask me.
50 plus 2. What?
Do you have a doubt? You raised your hand.
50 plus 2. What? 50 plus 2.
50 plus 2. What is 50 plus 2? Is that your question?
Yes.
Okay, what is 50 plus 2? Havisha, what do you think 50 plus 2 is?
52.
52, right? That is correct. 52 is correct. Is that clear?
Yes.
Alright, okay. So, yes, so where was I? I was telling that what I did, right, when I was going in the forward direction, for this specific question it was working, but it will not work for all the questions, right? And I'll tell you the reason why. For that, let me take the second question, which looks something like this. Okay, 57 plus
Okay.
14, or let me say 16. Okay, 57 plus 16. So now, if I add 7 plus 6, okay, I'm going in the usual method. So what is 7 plus 6?
30.
13, right? And two-digit number, 130. So what are we supposed to do in such cases, Havisha?
Carry.
Very good, carry. So remember this word, very important and very annoying word. Okay, 7 plus 6 is 13. So we write the 3 and the 1 gets carried. Yes? Is that
Yes.
correct? Yes. And then what do we do? We add 1 plus 5 plus 1. Yes?
Yes.
What is 1 plus 5 plus 1?
7.
7, right? Perfect. So what is our answer? 73. Right? Let me take the same
Yes.
question again and try doing it in this direction. What is 5 plus 1? It is 6. And then 6 plus 7 is 13. So if I write it this way,
Yes.
the answer is wrong, right?
Yes.
So what is the problem? Specifically, carry is the problem. If in addition, right, when we are adding any two numbers, if in case we find that there is a carry, okay, then it
Okay.
has to be carried to the left side only, right? That is
Yes.
why we do not add numbers from the left to right or in the forward direction. Makes sense? Havisha, are you following?
Yes.
So what is the problem? What is the thing that is keeping us from adding from left to right?
Carry.
Carry. Yes, that's correct. So let us say that what if in some method, okay, in a method, we can tackle this issue of carry. Okay, we can take care of this problem of carry, and then we can add the numbers from left to right. Wouldn't that be fun?
Yes.
Yes, we will be learning a very, very new method of the left to right addition, or basically addition, right? So we will be
Right.
doing exactly that now. Okay, so just give me a minute. Yes, so we will be learning a new method today, which is called the left to right method, and the name itself suggests that we are going to add numbers from the left to right. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So before actually going into the concept, I just want to quickly revise two concepts that you already know. Okay, I'm sure you know these two concepts. Let's just quickly revise these two concepts. Okay, are you ready, Havisha?
Yes.
Okay, so can you read out what I am writing?
Place.
Place values. Yes,
Place
so
value.
do you know what place values are, Havisha?
No.
No? Okay, interesting. So, for example, I will take this question, okay? And we are adding from the left to right. Yes? I mean, sorry, right to left.
Yes.
So, the numbers which are on the right, okay, we say for any number, okay, let's say 56, right? For 5, we are saying 50. 50 means what? 50. And 6 is 6. It's that, right?
Yes.
So 6, the number which is on the right most is on the place value of ones, and 50 or 5 which is here, and we have 50, 10, so it is in the tens place value. Okay,
Okay.
is that clear?
Clear.
Can you tell me what this number is going to be? 156.
Once.
No, no. What is the number? How do we read the number 156? What is this number?
156.
156, right? Or 156. Yes? Yes? No?
Yes.
So, 1, we are reading it as 100. And how many zeros we have? We have 2 zeros. So, that is why we
2.
call this hundreds place. Okay? So,
Yes.
from the right, we start ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and we keep on increasing. Alright?
Oh.
Okay. Alright. And now the next concept is called the face values. Let me quickly explain what face values are. Okay?
Okay.
So in this only I will explain. So let's say we have the number 56. Okay. So 5 is read as 50, right? 50. So that is going to be the face value, and 6 is going to be the face value of 6. Okay, because we are reading it as 6 only. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Chalo. Are both the concepts clear to you? Place values and face values? Yes. No.
Yes.
Perfect. Awesome. All right. So let us get into this new method called the left to right method. Okay. So for the left to right method, let me take a question. Okay. Say 72 and 40. Okay. 72 plus 40. What would be the answer for this?
6.
4 plus 2
6,
6,
8.
7 plus 1 8. Right? But we are not going to use that method. We are not going backwards. We will be going forward this time. Okay, for that, let me explain the process that goes on here. Alright? So, we first consider each number, 72 and 40, and we take the face values of each number. Okay? What
Okay.
are face values? How we pronounce the numbers, or how we read out the numbers. So 7 is actually read as 70, right? In 72, 7 is read as 70. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we consider that as 70, and this as 2. And here 1 is in tens place, so we write 10 and then 4 inside. Okay? Alright?
Alright.
Makes sense? So we will be taking the face value. So 7 becomes 70, 1 becomes 10, and 2 are 4 and 4 are going to be the same. Make sense? Are you following, Havisha?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. That's great. And now, after doing that, we start our addition. Okay, we start adding from the left side. So, what do I mean by we start adding from the left side is this. We first add 70 and 10. What is 70 plus 10?
70 plus 10.
Mm-hmm.
72.
Are you sure? 70 plus 10.
80.
Don't be in a hurry.
80.
Very good. 80 is the correct answer. 70 plus 10 is 80. Alright, 70 plus 10, 80. Perfect. And then we are done adding the numbers which are on the left side. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So we go to the right side. Alright? We go to the right side.
Okay.
So I go to the right side. Alright? So 70 plus 10, 80. And then I continue the addition. Okay? 80 plus 2. What is 80 plus 2, Abhisha?
80 plus 2.
Sorry? 80 plus
82.
2. What is 80 plus 2? Very good. That
82.
is correct. 82. Perfect. 82. And then we go to 82 plus 4. What is
80,
82 plus 4?
84.
84. Are you sure?
86.
Oh, I'm sorry. I asked the question in a different way. I'm asking 82 plus 4.
86.
Can you tell me
86.
what is 82 plus 4? Very good. 86. Which is our answer. Is that clear? Yes? No?
Yes.
Is the left to right method clear to you?
Yes.
So,
Yes. So this is what the left to right method is. Okay, it goes something like this. We add first the numbers which are on the left and then go up, add numbers which are on the right. Okay, and let me tell you some advantages of using this left to right method. There is no hassle for us to look for carry because that problem is eliminated in this method. Okay, and also we add numbers in a much quicker way. Okay, if we keep practicing this left to right method, you will observe it yourself that you are adding numbers in a much quicker fashion. All right. So, Amisha, do you want to do another question?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Okay. So let me take 53 and
No.
34. Okay. So, Havisha, what is the first step that we take here?
50, 30.
30.
30. Okay, 30. Interesting. What about 5?
50.
Very good. We consider the face values. Perfect. You've been great, Havisha. So 50, 30. Okay. What is the next step?
80.
80.
50 plus 30, 80. Very good. Perfect. And then
3 plus 4. 7.
7.
what is the next?
3 plus
Sorry?
7.
Continue the addition. You don't have to do it separately again. We continue the addition. So 80 plus 3. That would be our first.
3.
80 plus 3. What is 80 plus 3?
83.
83. Perfect. And then we go down. 83 plus 4. What is 83 plus 4?
87.
87.
Very good. That is our answer. Do you find the left to right method easy? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right? And I also mentioned why do we feel that the left to right method is much easier because we don't have the problem of carrying and we are continuing the addition, right? So it's not like we are adding two numbers parallelly. We are adding in a one stream only. So there's not much to remember. Okay, there is much to practice, but not remember. Alright? Are you following, Havisha?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, alright. Okay, now let us do one last question, a challenging one, okay? And see how we can add 3 numbers this time, okay? Are you ready? 3 numbers. We're going to add 3 numbers using the left to right method. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's get started then. Okay, so 43 plus 21 plus, let's say, 34, okay? We're adding 3 numbers this time. So let's get started, Amisha. What is the first step in the left to right method?
30. 20.
Sorry?
40.
Very good. We consider the face values. So 4, 2 and 3 come 40, 20 and 30. Perfect. Awesome.
Perfect.
Then what is the next?
90.
Perfect. Very good. So 40 plus 20 is 60. 60 plus 30 is 90. That was very quick, Havisha. Awesome. You're doing great. Alright. And then what is the next step? Remember, we are continuing the addition. So 90 plus, what will we add? 90 plus?
90 plus 1.
We will go all the
90.
way up. And then we add
90 plus 3.
Very good. What is 90 plus 3?
93.
Very good. 93. That is correct. And then we go down. What is 93 plus 1?
Yes. 4.
94.
94.
Very good. Perfect. And then 94 plus 4.
98.
Very good. That is our answer. So if you observe, we did a very, very, very huge calculation. We added numbers like 43, 34, and 21, right? Without the help of calculus, right? And we eliminated that problem overall, and then we were able to get this answer in a much, much faster sense. Do you agree with me, Amisha? Yes? No?
Yes.
What do you say? Yes, awesome, that's great. So, do you find the left to right method good and easy?
Yes.
Yes. Easy.
Awesome, that's great. So, I want you to please go practice after this session. Don't leave it here itself. Please keep practicing this new method, and you will
Okay.
find it easy, and you will start enjoying the subject of math, especially addition.
Okay.
Alright? Okay, but I'm not leaving you here. Okay, before we actually stop, let us do a small activity. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, since you said that you do not know what place values are, let us do a small activity on that. Okay, place values.
Okay.
And as I've mentioned, that we start with ones place, tens place, and hundreds place, so on. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? So,
Video
so I'm going to relate ones place to cakes.
Okay.
Okay? And tens place to chocolates. Okay? Now, Havisha, do you like chocolates more or cakes? Which one do you like more? Is it chocolates or is it cake?
Chocolate.
Chocolates. Okay, interesting. So, for example, chocolates. Okay, I'm writing short form here. Chocolates, cakes. I'm going to relate ones place to cakes and tens place to chocolates. Okay, if
Okay.
I give 57, a number like 57, okay, 5 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. Yes? Because we're
Yes.
starting from the right, so 7 must be in ones place, 5 must be in tens place. Okay, and we consider the face values. So then 5 becomes 50 and 7 becomes 7 only. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes. So if I give you a number, say 57, it means that you get 50 chocolates and 7 cakes. Okay? You get 50 chocolates and 7 cakes. And since you love chocolates, this is a very, very great deal, right? But
Yes.
let's say I give you a number which looks something like this. um, 73. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, 73. It means that you get 7 chocolates and 3 cakes. Because I'm relating chocolates and cakes to tens place and ones place. Are you following, Abhisha?
Yes.
Yes, so among these two, which deal is better for you? Which deal is better for you? In which case do you get more chocolates?
Chocolate.
7.
In
7
which
3.
case? Is it 57 or 73? Yes, 73, right? So you can understand place values using such fun activities. Alright? So
Yes.
if at all we get a chance to meet again, okay, we will start off from this concept only, which is called place values.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, Hamisha. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Yes? You had
Yes.
fun? Awesome, me too. Alright, so Hamisha, we will stop here for today. Okay?
Okay.
And do you have any doubts regarding the whole concept of left to right method?
No.
No? Alright. Thank you, Havisha. Thank you so much for listening patiently. The whole session, you were sitting very, very patient. Thank you so much for that. Alright. So, Havisha, if your parents are around, can you please call them? And if they have any doubt, they can ask me.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye. Please call your parents. Yes.
Once.
Come.
Yes, welcome to my channel.
This is math tricks you attended, right?
Yes,
How was it?
super.
Okay, you're able to understand something?
Yes.
How to add and how to subtract, you have to learn here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you got the best tricks right now, how to attend?
Yes.
Yeah, try practicing those and yeah, that's it. Okay, Havisha attended today and you can also check it out. Okay, that's it, friends. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you soon in next video.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Mommy, Dad.